Did you know that you could get paid to leave comments? You don't need to sell anything. You don't need followers on social media. You don't need your own website. All you need is a computer or laptop or a smartphone with access to the internet. It's absolutely free and it is easy to do. You can start making hundreds of dollars every single day, starting from today. But you'll need to spend at least 1 hour every day leaving comments. As I said, it is absolutely free and it is available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. All you need to do, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end because every single step is important. You need to pay attention to what I'll be showing you because if you skip a certain step, at the end of the day, you might not get the money that you're really deserving to get. So just watch the video. It's not a long video. And make sure to please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and click that bell icon, that notification bell, so that every time I upload my new videos, you will receive a notification. So what you want to do, there's a website over here called findaforum.net. When you're on findaforum.net, it's basically going to show you this page. What is findaforum.net? It is a platform where people discuss about different topics. So what you want to do is you want to click over here where it says categories, and it's going to give you a list of different categories that people talk about. For example, we have arts and literature, we have health, we have shopping and e-commerce, business and economy, music, society and culture, we have sports, news and media, computers and internet, family and home, games and entertainment, regional, government and politics, TV and movies, and so many more. And in all these groups over here, there are different amounts of people that actually discuss about things in the group. Maybe if you want to deal with dieting and weight loss, for example, you click on that, then it's going to give you different groups on people that are talking about weight loss. As you can see over here, we have 186,938 members. Here we have 153,224 members. So there's a lot of people. So I'm going to show you how you're going to make money. Go onto a website called Audible. It's audible.com. So this is Audible, and basically Audible is a platform where it is in connection with Amazon. Amazon is a big company. So Audible is the department where you get access to books that are audio versions. So it's the audio versions of the book where you don't have to physically open the book, but you can actually just listen to the book being read by someone. So you can just put in your earphones and listen to an entire book. So all the books are available here. Every single book you desire is available on Audible. So now when you go onto, let me show you something, the Audible Creator Program over here. So if you don't know how to get here, firstly just go onto Google. When you're on Google, you want to type in Audible affiliates. Just click on Audible affiliates, and don't worry, we're not selling anything. So you want to click on Audible affiliate program over here, and then it's going to take you over here. So when you see down here, Audible free trial digital membership, which means that you want to become an affiliate. So when you become an affiliate, they're going to give you a referral link. Now that link, when you send your link to someone and they sign up, which is absolutely free, they get a free trial. They sign up for a free trial. You get $5 every time they sign up for a free trial. So the good thing about this is that the person you sending your referral link to, they are not paying any money. So they don't have a reason why they shouldn't sign up. So you're not asking them for any money. But because Audible is in connection with Amazon and Amazon has a lot of money, they are willing to pay you $5 for every time somebody signs up. So if you have maybe 100 people that signs up with your referral link, you're going to get $500 for basically doing nothing. And it's great. It's a lot of money in your pocket for something that is very, very easy. So I hope you staying focused on what I'm saying. And if you have any questions, just comment your questions down below in the comment section. Now, what you want to do is you want to become an affiliate so that you can actually participate. So it's very easy. You just want to click over here, become an affiliate. You want to click over here. Now, basically, if you don't have an Amazon account, you have to create one. But if you do, you just want to put in your email address and your password over here and sign in. But if you don't, you need to create your Amazon account, which is absolutely free. Just put in your name, your email address, your password, then you re-enter your password and then create your account. It's really, really easy. Now, for example, when we're on Audible here, let's do something and let's go on to Google again one more time. Then we want to search, let's say, the best weight loss books. So we want to search the best weight loss books. So we search the best weight loss books and we want to click over here. So it's going to take us to this page, which is okay. So now here we have a list of different books, number 1, number 2. So let's take, for example, this book over here that says The Fast Metabolism Diet, Eat More Food and Lose More Weight. So this is a book over here. Let's copy this title, and you can see the book was written by this person. It was released in 2016. So what you want to do is you want to go on to Audible again, and then up here you want to search. You want to search this book. So search it over here and wait for it. Now, as you can see, this is the Audible, the audio version of this exact book. Now, when you sign up to become an affiliate, you get 2 audiobooks for free, which you can actually give to people for free. So what you'll basically be doing is that when you send your referral link to people, you're going to say, hey, I have this nice audiobook on how to lose weight, and it's really, really cool. It's called The Fast Metabolism Diet, and just try it out. All you need to do to get access to it is, sign up for a free 30-day trial. And once they do, they get access to the book, and you get your $5, as I've shown you over here. You get your $5, and they get access to the free trial for 30 days. Now, how are we going to actually get the people? That is why we came onto this findaforum.net. So because the book has to do with weight loss, that is why we chose the category of dieting and weight loss. So over here under the category health is dieting and weight loss, because we chose the book that deals with losing weight. So then you want to enter one of these. So you want to visit the forum. Basically, you just want to visit the forum, and as you can see over here, it's filled with so many people. It's filled with so many people, and so many people are commenting, and it's a whole lot of things. So all you basically want to do, if you understand what I'm saying, is that you want to be leaving comments on different parts of the forum where people are talking, people are discussing topics on weight loss. You want to say, hey, I have this free trial for you, 30-day free trial from the Amazon Audible department. You'll get this free audio book on how to lose weight. It's absolutely free for you. Just sign up for free, and they'll do that because they know that it's free. And once they know that it's free, which it is, you will just make your money, your $5. So as you can see, the high potential about this this dieting and weight loss is because there's so many members. As you can see over here, so many members, as you can see. So if you have 153,000 members, let's take for example on the online calculator. If we type in the online calculator, let's do something quickly. Online calculator. Then we go and find a forum. Then we see over here we have 150,000 members. Okay. Let's say in those 150,000 members, only, let's say, 200 people decide to actually click on your referral link because they found out it's free and they're just interested in this audiobook and it's free. So every time they sign up, it's $50. So you've made yourself $10,000 for doing something that is so easy to do. It is so easy to do. And this is an opportunity that's been around for some time. And I only found this out like a few months ago. And it's really great because the person you're referring your link to is not paying for anything. And you yourself, you're not paying for anything. Amazon is doing everything for you. They just want more and more customers to actually sign up onto their platform, onto their website, and they're willing to pay you this amount of money. So I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or you're a bit confused, make sure you comment your questions down below in the comment section. It's absolutely free. Everything is free for you, for the people you're referring to. Remember, it's find a forum. And if you want to deal with maybe a different category and you don't want to do it, weight loss, there's so many things that you can do on music. There's composing and recording, composition and recording, computers, there's hardware, there's software, there's programming. So you can just find different books. You can type in best books on computer programming. So you want to type in that on Google. Google's going to give you a different list of books. You'll find them here, so many, there's a variety. And then what you want to do is you want to go onto Audible and then you want to search that book over here, and then you want to get it over here, and then you want to go back onto find a forum, and then you want to go into a group where people are interested in this kind of stuff. As you can see over here, so many topics, code guru forums, my SQL, all this has got to do with computer programming. All depends on the category that you choose. So I hope it makes sense. Comment your questions down below. Like the video if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and click that bell icon. Turn on all notifications so that every time I upload my new videos, you'll easily be able to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.